Hi, welcome to RiceTire. My name is Ken Rice II. I'm the Vice President of Safety and Compliance. My grandfather, Donald B. Rice, started the company in 1929 as a small gas station on South Market Street here in Frederick, Maryland. In 1956, he expanded the business and eventually moved to 909 Northeast Street, which is now RiceTire's corporate headquarters. We now operate 10 locations throughout Maryland and Virginia. Our continued success comes from the partnerships we've created with our customers and our employees. Let's see what some of our employees have to say.
They were small, family-owned business, and they treat everyone like family.
I consider RiceTire to be a very fair and respectful towards their employees. You feel appreciated for your hard work, and it's an extremely positive environment.
I like the atmosphere of the store and made the best career decision of my life. I'm challenged with helping my customers find the solution to their tire needs.
I love the people I work with, and we all work together.
It's really about the people that I work with. A great group of people from the top to the bottom. With great training, I've been able to advance into the management position.
I was hired as a receptionist and then promoted to credit and collection specialist. I was searching for a company that I could feel at home with and that I could grow with. I love the people that I work with and the customers and the challenges. I'm proud to be a part of the RiceTire family.
I'm excited working with RiceTire because it's a good company, and I'm proud to work for them. I didn't know anything about tire, so when I came here, I said it's a good opportunity to learn more stuff.
I like that they allow me to do my job. I'm compensated well for my job, and there's really no limit to my earning potential based on the efforts I put forth.
It's new. It was all new at first. It was a new experience. When I first came here, I was a warehouse worker, so I figured I wanted to do more. Tim put me on the counter to learn the system. He saw that I was capable of doing that and then made me assistant manager.
He trabajado en otros lados y me ha gustado el trabajo. Porque me gusta trabajar aquí porque todos los customers se tratan bien conmigo.
A friend of mine, when I come out of high school, a friend of mine worked for him and asked me if I was looking for a job, and I applied here in Cumberland and got hired. It's a family company, family owned, and they always try to help you in any way they can. I get a lot of support from other employees. It's just a good place to work.
A lot of opportunity. I started out as a tire changer, moved to a truck driver, now I'm the manager, been manager probably close to 20 years. A lot of freedom on what we're able to do. We get to make a lot of our own choices, and we have a lot of support throughout the company.
My cousin worked here and let me know that they were hiring for the office, and I applied and got the position. I enjoy working for a company that puts quality ahead of quantity.
I was actually introduced to RiceTire from a family friend. It's a huge family. Everyone gets along and works together very well. If anyone encounters any sort of problem, everybody comes together to sort of get to the end result.
As you have seen, RiceTire undoubtedly is a great place to work. Come join our team so you can enjoy the benefits of our current employees as we remain the experts in tire solutions.